Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to our YouTube channel. I want to help you cultivate wellness in your life through moving the body, quieting the mind, working on mindfulness, and just different activities to help you stay well. So today, let's focus on some gentle yoga. So if you're brand new to yoga, this is a good class for you to try out. Yoga is a really great way to help quiet your mind down, but to help also stretch the body and to learn how to relax the muscles. It's a great tool and it's accessible to almost everybody. You can even go as far as doing chair yoga. So let's get right into it today. We're going to just start off with some stretching. So bringing the legs out in front of us. Let's inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, diving forward, reaching for those feet. And just relax your head here. And I want you to stay with it. If it feels uncomfortable, I want you to try to use your breath to help you through it. So you don't want to be in pain, but you want to get to the edge where you feel uncomfortable, but you're not in pain. So find that edge for yourself. And let's do 5 deep breaths. Nice and slow through your nose. The slower you breathe, the more benefits your body's going to receive. 1 more breath. Good. Let's go ahead and bring the bottoms of the feet together. Try to sit really close to the heels, interlacing the fingers. As you exhale, fold forward. You should feel this on the inside of your hips. Hopefully, it's not too intense and you can just focus on calming your body by slow breaths. Yoga is a lot of stretching and breathing and just trying to keep your mind here in this moment. They say that 40% of the time our mind is not connected to the action. So I'll give you an example as we move on. Let's extend the left leg, bring the right leg in. And again, folding towards our leg, dropping the head down, coming to the edge, what your edge is. But an example is when you're brushing your teeth or washing your dishes, your mind is probably not focused on that action. It's thinking of the past or what needs to be done in the future. So yoga can help you to bring your mind into what you're doing at that moment. So focus that mind on the breath and quiet down. And we'll switch sides. So pulling the left leg in, right leg comes out. Again, just walking those hands forward, finding this forward fold, and breathing into any uncomfortable areas in the body. And rising up from there. So let's come onto the hands and knees here. And we're going to work the spine. So tuck the toes under. Let's inhale, drop the belly, look up. Then we flatten the feet down and exhale, curl the spine. Again, inhale, drop the belly, look up. And exhale, round the spine. Inhale. And exhale, press it. 1 more time. Exhale. Good. Let's try to come into a balance here. You want to bring your right arm forward and your left foot straight back. Keep your wrist and shoulder in line. and gently taking the time to switch. If you need to shake out your left wrist, that's okay. Inhale, left arm up, right foot back. And coming back to center. We're going to take the left leg and cross it over the right. So digging the toes into the ground as we look towards the right. Nice good stretch for the legs, pressing into the arms, creating a C shape with our bodies. And go ahead and switch legs. So right leg crosses over as we look to the left. Inhale, exhale, strong arms. Feel the stretch on your side body. And coming back to center. Yoga has a pose called child's pose. You can separate the legs, let the belly drop down. Bring the arms forward and try to bring that forehead down as you sit back towards your heels. And this is a great pose for rest. So at any point when you're practicing yoga, if it becomes too challenging or it doesn't feel right to you, you can bring yourself to this posture and just rest. Let's rise up from there. So we'll come to a straddle, bringing the legs out to both sides. And we'll do a side stretch. So I'm going to lay my right arm down near my right leg and reach overhead. And I feel this all up the side body here. Flexing those feet, toes up towards the ceiling. And then same for the other side. Left arm down, right arm overhead. So those are just a few basic yoga poses that you can start off with. They were all seated poses. Yoga also has to do with breathing techniques. So different ways to utilize the breath to either energize the body or to calm the body down. So let's practice a simple breathing technique. You can use this at any time. Obviously, you'd keep your eyes open if you're driving or doing anything that your eyes need to be open for. But you can practice this when you're feeling anxious or if you need to calm down a bit. Maybe try this before bed. So nice and slow. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale slowly. Again, breathe in. Hold the breath. And exhale nice and slow. Again, breathing in. Hold. And exhale slow. And you can breathe like that through the nose. So that is just one technique you can use. Another thing I'd like to talk a little bit about is mindfulness. Mindfulness is paying attention on purpose. It is not judging yourself, but being a witness of your thoughts, your inner talk, or just, again, bringing your mind to the activity that's happening. So many times our mind is in the future, or it's in the past, dwelling on something we cannot change, or worrying about something that's coming in the future, instead of living the life that you're in, the moment that you're in. So learning to bring your mind to the present moment can really benefit your life. It's going to help you feel mentally relaxed, hopefully more calm, centered, focused, and just enjoying your life so it doesn't pass you by. I hope you enjoyed this session of light stretching, a little breathing technique, and a little bit about mindfulness. Feel free to contact me at info@yogaforhealthli.com or check out our website,